Need to restore email from an OBA backup file? This is an Outlook backup archive containing important email and account data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through restoring and accessing these Outlook backup archive files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn OBA files. Users typically search for .oba files when they need to restore emails, contacts, and calendar data for Microsoft Outlook. This file is a backup created by the now discontinued Microsoft Outlook Personal Folders Backup add-in, and the user's primary goal is to recover their Outlook data. The .oba file is essentially a copy of a personal storage table, .pst file, a complex binary database format. Microsoft designed the PST structure to store a user's entire Outlook profile efficiently in a single file, making it portable for backup and migration, which the .oba extension simply flags. This OBA file is handled by the industry standard tool Microsoft Outlook from Microsoft Corporation. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows lacks the ability to preview backup sets, so restoration tools are required to extract files. Let's proceed with the compatibility verification. Right-click the OBA file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Outlook if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the OBA format's nuances differently. If your OBA file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, restoring with backup tool. Use the Outlook backup utility that created the OBA file, typically a third-party Outlook backup tool, like Genie Outlook Backup or Outlook Backup Toolbox. Launch the backup software and use the restore function to extract OBA contents back to a working Outlook installation, rebuilding email folders and settings. Next, extracting PST data. Many OBA files internally contain PST files. Use 7-zip or WinRAR to attempt extraction, treating the OBA as a compressed archive. If successful, import the extracted PST file into Outlook through File, then Open and Export, then Open. Outlook, data file for direct access to email and folder contents. Finally, using Outlook recovery tools. Try specialized Outlook recovery tools like Stellar Repair for Outlook or Kernel for Outlook PST Recovery. These tools can sometimes extract data from various Outlook backup formats, including OBA. Configure the tool to scan the OBA file and recover emails, contacts, and calendar items to PST or directly to Outlook. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.